To add an event to calendar on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to open the calendar app. And in the case of POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max, we can actually find two calendar apps. So we have this Xiaomi calendar app, and there is also this one made by Google. So I'm going to show you in both cases how to do so. We need to grant all the necessary permissions, of course. There we go. Now in here, you can use the plus button in the bottom right corner, and then you can choose event. Then over here, we need to fill in a couple of information, like for example, we can set up the name. There is also the date, so we can choose when the event starts and when it ends. Also, we can do the same thing with the time, of course, or you can make the event last whole day. There are a couple of additional settings as well, like for example, the time zone selection, whether the event is repeatable or not. You can add people to the event, add video conferencing, location, you can manage notifications, so you can decide when you want to be informed about the upcoming event, and so on and so forth. And once you set everything up, you can just tap on save in the upper right corner, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Now, besides that, of course, we can use the Xiaomi calendar app, which is pretty similar. But here, in order to create an event, we need to use this plus at the top. And there we go. Here, the rest is pretty identical, very similar. So we set up the title. We can choose if the event should last a whole day or not. We choose when it starts and when it ends, whether the event is repeatable or not. We have reminders over here, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, many options are pretty much the same. And once you set up the event, you can tap on this check in the upper right corner. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.